You're different. Yeah, don't rip a nail off. Come on. You're getting dirty on this one. You got dirt on your arm.
Just gonna wipe myself tan off.
That's a good line too. Thank you. That's a job well done, Caitlin. Hey guys, what is up? It's Biff and we're in the Fearless Mods garage, and today we're gonna see if a 16-year-old daughter can change a tire on her car for the first time. You want your daughter to change a tire on her car? Stay tuned. Good. Go pop your trunk because we got these plastic caps on here. Softball. So where's your stuff? Yep. Got to keep going, right? And now lift up again. Now lift up again. I'm kidding. Okay. See that little pin right there? That little silver pin? Yep. Grab that guy. There you go. Perfect. Put it in the hole.
That hole?
Until it hooks and pull it out.
Oh.
Do that on all 5 of those. Now we just set those over here out of the way so we're not kicking them all over. We're done with the pin. So you can go put all that back, close that, you're done there. All right, we gotta break these loose because they're tight before we jack it up. Because especially on a front wheel,
yeah.
If it's not all-wheel drive, this will rotate on you when you're trying to break them loose if you jack it up first. Let's try a 17. Perfect?
Yeah.
All right, leave it on there. Time for some girl power. You want to go that way? Yeah, lefty loosey. So it'd be best if you stood up here and pushed directly perpendicular to it. There you go, that's enough. That's broken loose. You don't unscrew it any more than that because all of the weight is still on it, right?
Yeah.
Just don't hit your paint. There you go. All right, now we got to jack it up. There are points under here for jacking. All of this is thin and plastic. So we don't want to be on any of that. You ever use one of these?
Maybe.
Okay, you screw it left and it does nothing, right? In fact, so you screw it right and it comes up, but you screw it left and it goes back down.
Okay.
And when you go left to let it down, you want to do it very slowly or else you drop the car like really fast. Position that under that jacking point. Bring it up a little and just bring it up where it's kind of close to it. And you're touching. Okay. Now you can stand up and so one thing we're on a very flat surface, so we don't have to worry about putting anything behind the tire. If we were on the driveway out there where it's angled down, we would put a piece of wood under one of those, or a wedge so that it wouldn't roll on you. Go ahead and lift it up. Keep going until the tire's off the ground. Okay, tire's off the ground, right? I guess you are all-wheel drive. This is a hydraulic jack and it's from Harbor Freight. So what if it like starts to go down? You don't want it to go down. So go up even higher, go up about another 4 inches probably. That's probably good. Okay. Go grab a jack stand over there. We want this under this A-arm because that's structural. And we'll go push it in there until you're, there you go, that's good. You can come, that'll probably work pretty good actually.
Okay.
And when you come down, the tire's not gonna be against it. Yeah. So the key is we wanna let it down and we wanna keep the tire above the ground, which we will do, this will work. So now you can go crack that very easily, slightly to the left and let the car down slowly onto that.
Onto this?
Yes. There you go. Now stop, crack it to the right to tighten it. Now come under here and look again just to make sure you're on there real good, just the way you wanted it to be. Looks good, right? Yeah. Car's not gonna fall on you. No. So we're good. All right, power tools. You wanna make sure it's going to the left, to loose. Okay, that's good. What would you do if you were going the other way?
Switch something on here. Oh, put this thing.
Yeah. So where's your socket?
Right there?
Yeah, but that's the lug bolt.
Okay.
Where's the socket?
Oh, this thing. Oh, I gotta put this on here. I'm gonna go like this.
All the way out. Yep, that's loose. A little bit of lift while you do it. It's gonna come straight out, but you don't want it to drop until you're clear of the brake.
Okay.
There you go. All right, muscles. Oh, good leg kick. Look at that. That's not going to slide out. We're good. Okay, so for context here, my 16-year-old daughter curbed the shit out of her wheel last night. So this used to be a really nice wheel, and she's got this big bubble. So this beautiful Starfire, Solaris AS Starfire, is getting replaced by another just as equally magnificent tire for $61 here at Discount Tire. Good to meet you.
You guys were looking at that tire like it was going to come to life.
Yeah, no, this is a learning moment.
when this big old bubble started popping up on there for you guys.
When she hit the curb really hard with it last
I
night.
had a
Go
feeling.
ahead.
You
Go.
guys go on it. If you look at the wheel,
Yeah.
you see how it slightly hops right there?
Yep.
So it's just slightly bent on it. And it's not like a danger to you or anything like that, but over time it is going to wear the tire out unevenly. I just wanted to show you guys, obviously, I know you hit a curb and all that. That's probably what caused the wheel to be slightly bent like that.
Yeah.
So. The road force is actually extremely low on it as well. So the tire is riding really good. You can see how the tire slightly moves like that.
Yep. Come here. Look straight here. See how you see it?
Yep.
And that's just
Moving
because
around.
of that bend on it.
Yep.
I just wanted to show you what it kind of looks like on there.
No, appreciate that.
But just give me a little bit of time. I'm going to go ahead and balance it out for you.
So a lot of these have lug bolts that stick out, and you
Yeah.
just put a lug nut on them, and that makes it easy to put up there and slide it on because you just slide it through these holes, right?
Yeah.
But this has bolts, right? We saw that. So it has the bolts that go through it. So you're just gonna, it's really this part here is gonna go in here. So you're gonna lift it up, and this is where, here's what I recommend. Scoot the bottom in, there you go, like that. Now sit down on the floor. Throw your legs out straight on both sides of it. You're gonna try to lift that with your legs. Steady it with both hands, raise it with your legs until you can kind of see that you're close, and then guide it on there. There you go, use your legs to help you until you, there you go. So you're against it, rotate it to where it's good. Keep the pressure against it if you can. Typically what you do, because there's 5, you skip one and go to the next one.
Okay. Why do you skip them?
Because when you're tightening it down, you want it to be in a pattern that isn't all on one side. You're just gonna make sure they're snugged up, because what you don't want is, you don't want it like rocking at all when you set it on the ground, because then it's not gonna tighten in properly.
Yeah.
You just give each one an oomph to the right. Good. So now you're good. Jack this up a little bit to get it off of that jack stand. So now come up here. This guy should be able to slide out. And then now you're gonna slowly let this down. Get into your glove box and find your manual and start in the back, the table of contents. And you're gonna look for wheel torque or specifications or tire replacement, you know, things like that. We're trying to find the number that we torque these to. So you got wheel, bolts, tightening specification.
88 feet. Huh? 80, is it 88 feet like per pound?
88 foot-pounds.
What is a foot pound?
It's a unit of torque.
Torque.
I'll explain to you in a second. So the way you adjust it is flip this out, and a lot of these are different. Yeah, don't rip a nail off, come on. And now dial that to where it's at 88. Use one hand to just kind of hold that in, and the other hand you're going to push down on that until it clicks. Don't hop on it. Now do it one more time with steady pressure. There you go. Now skip one. See how the car's rocking forward? You want to kind of keep steady pressure until this is all the way forward and just steady. Yep. Now you're going to go over them all one more time. 88 foot-pounds is torque. And so 1 foot from the center, which is a little less than this, right? So a foot's going to be somewhere in here.
Okay.
If you put 88 pounds of pressure right there, 1 foot from here, that would make it click.
Okay, gotcha.
You're a little further out, so you're not quite having to push 88 pounds. That's fine. No. I'm just saying that's what that click does.
Yeah.
You're out here, so you're only maybe having to push with 60 pounds of force, but it's clicking at 88. That's what that is. It's 88 pounds, 1 foot out, perpendicular is the torque value. The reason you torque them all exactly, so these are all tightened the exact same amount, right? If you were just tightening them, it wouldn't be. But they're all tightened the exact same amount. This rotor in here is what your brakes are on. That's your brake pads are in there, and they squeeze that rotor. If these are uneven, there's a lot of heat when you're braking, right?
Yeah.
And it can cause, with uneven torques on these, the stress patterns are different into the disc, and it can start to warp your rotors. And then when you step on the brakes, they're like, they like shake a lot, and you can feel it in the steering wheel doing stuff like this. So that's why you torque them. Pop your plastic caps on. And that is done. If your young daughter needs to learn how to change a tire, come here to Fearless Mods and check it out, and you too can do that. Please reach down, like, and subscribe, and we'll catch you on the next one. Take care.